I'm super interested in AI and how it's helping businesses and content. And I mean, I use AI. Everyone I know is using it. So there's been a lot of buzz about how it can actually supercharge your business intelligence efforts, and how it can actually transform raw data into actionable insights and sustainable business models. So today we're going to tackle these questions, and I'm setting up a challenge for you, Raj, to give us some real world strategies to help leverage AI's these incredible capabilities that it has, because I think that we've only scratched the surface of what we can actually use AI in business for. So maybe you could start and kick us off by giving us a bit of an overview of how AI is changing the landscape of business intelligence, and we can go from there.
Yeah, sounds great. I was going to say that actually AI has kind of come to rescue quite a bit. In fact, when I was first studying AI, my mother thought that AI was the study of aliens, which obviously is not true. So, I'm just happy that it's actually I'm helping humanity a bit more than just finding aliens for us. So, glad that I can add some value today. But yeah, jumping the topic about business and AI, I feel AI is going to open a huge opportunity for all of us in business, especially if you're already using AI in our workflows. I feel one of the biggest use cases of AI is to use this intelligence feature to find patterns, to give us answers for problems which have been solved before. It can find that answer and can provide that respond to a question in a way which makes a lot of sense. So let me give you an example. If, for instance, we have a company which has, say, several offices or maybe even just one office, and where typically we would have used, say, intranet. So there's Bob who wants to find out the answer to a particular question. For example, how do I do expenses? Now, typically that question would have gone to the office manager, the PA, and the same answer. Well, Bob, is the same answer. This is the form, fill it in, get it done with. And actually, would it not be awesome just to compile all those questions into one simplified AI box, which is attached to the intranet, which stays internally? And it can answer the questions you might have around expense management, how to do expenses. You can query it further. And if it exhausts all the questions, then it goes to the office manager. That will relieve that person of maybe 95% of the issues. And that's so powerful. I feel today AI can do some of those mundane tasks can be taken care of by AI. That's just one example. I can go on and on about other mundane things which can be removed completely. But I think let's start with that. Megan, does that answer your initial question?
Yes, I mean we're talking about streamlining internal processes, but obviously you can use AI to understand external factors like market dynamics and challenges that customers are facing as well. So, what's kind of besides the internal streamlining of processes and making information more available to your staff, um, how can companies use AI to create a competitive advantage in the macro environment?
Awesome question. So the first thing I'll say is that AI has enormous capabilities in analyzing trends. And this is possibly the biggest advantage of AI. It's full focus on intelligence finding. So how does it do that?